Hello guys, how to fix Bluetooth not working in Windows 11 and Windows 10, and to fix this issue you should reinstall Bluetooth driver in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Sometimes outdated driver may be a cause of Bluetooth services not working in Windows 11 and Windows 10. So then here in this video we will see how to reinstall Bluetooth driver in Windows 11 and Windows 10. First we will see the installed version of your Bluetooth driver. Right click on start button, choose device manager and go to Bluetooth section and right click on it and choose its properties, and here driver tab, under driver tab you will see the functions and features installed in your Windows 11 10 system. Thereafter again go to the Bluetooth section, right click on your Bluetooth driver and choose uninstall device. Confirm uninstallation process, attempt to remove the drivers for this device, make the check and choose uninstall. Once the uninstallation of Bluetooth driver finish, restart your Windows 11 10 system. Once restart your Windows 11 10 system, Windows will automatically install latest driver for your system. Again go to device manager and select Bluetooth option, right click on it and scan for hardware changes, and it will automatically install Bluetooth driver for your system. Now go to services windows, type services in Windows search and open services. Here go to Bluetooth support service, right click on it and select the option start. If already in a start mode, choose restart and apply double click on it, and under startup type choose the option automatic and click on apply and then OK button. You may reinstall Bluetooth driver through Windows settings manually. Go to Windows settings and Windows update. Here choose check for updates or any updates available. Click on download and install. Thereafter go to advanced options and here choose optional updates, driver updates. Here also you will find Bluetooth driver. Simply if you find, make the check against options and choose download and install to reinstall Bluetooth driver in Windows 11 and Windows 10 manually through Windows settings. That's all.